Happy Homecoming Friday, SK. I'm Noah.
And I'm AJ. From the assembly to the game and to the dance, we've got so much to cover, so let's get right into it.
To start us off, a quick reminder that we're on a modified schedule today due to the assembly. Lunches will start after the show as normal, and third period will go until 11:45. Fourth period will go until 1, and the assembly will be in the gym around 1:05. And today is our Friday Night Lights Spirit Day to support the T-Mobile Friday Night 5G Lights competition. Hopefully you're all decked out in magenta, hot pink, and black. We'll have a pep assembly in the gym later today with games, cheer, dance, band, and student recognitions. And of course, tonight is the first home football game of the season. SK takes on Curtis tonight at 7. Remember, no backpacks or large bags will be allowed inside, so be sure to plan ahead.
Don't forget, FCCLA will be selling pom-poms at the football game tonight. You can get one for $3 or two for $5. Pick one up and show off your SK pride. And the homecoming dance is tomorrow night from 7 to 10 in the Commons. The theme is Beyond the Tower. Tickets are $25 today only, and sales will end at 3. There will be no tickets at the door, so grab yours while you can. Don't forget your student ID. Looking ahead, SK's Got Talent is coming up on November 19th. Auditions will be held on October 6th, 7th, and 9th in Stage 3 after school.
And seniors, listen up. If 80% of you order your caps and gowns through Jostens by November 14th, the company will donate $500 to the senior class. Plus, if you order by then, you'll be entered into a drawing for a free class ring. Seniors can also submit their headshot for the yearbook. Be sure to submit yours before December 1st. Need another reason to go to the game tonight?
We'll hope to see you there. In sports news, the girls' soccer program is on fire. Both our varsity and JV got 2 huge wins last night. Varsity remains undefeated in league play, beating Bethel 10-1. The win was a team effort with goals from Smalley, Nation, Ligon, Garcia Paz, and 2 goals for each Booth. 2 goals each for Booth, White, and Hoisington. Way to go, Wolves! Reminder that there's no after-school weights today. And also a reminder that wrestlers can still sign up in final forms for fall weightlifting. Today, varsity boys tennis will face Spanaway Lake here at home. And of course, our very own football team will face Curtis at tonight's homecoming game. Tomorrow, girls swim and dive will have a meet down at the pool. Cross country will be away at the Curtis Invite, and girls swim and dive will be away at Rogers.
In club news, psychology will have their first meeting next Thursday in room 327. And QSA is back with advisors Mr. Poppy and Mr. Tovar. They'll be meeting every Monday after school in room 102 with their first meeting this Monday where all are welcome to attend. And FCCLA's October Huddle is coming up on October 9th. They'll be decorating Halloween cookies and hanging out with friends.
Well, that's all the news we've got for this homecoming Friday.
And we can't forget, with the T-Mobile Friday Night 5G Lights competition ongoing, T-Mobile will be joining us tonight for the football game. There'll be giveaways and other exciting things happening. Plus, we're changing up the theme. So the new theme for tonight's homecoming game is Friday Night Lights. So be sure to dress in T-Mobile magenta and black to rep the Friday Night 5G Lights competition and bring all your family and friends to celebrate both our homecoming game and our exciting adventure towards the grand prize of $1 million. And of course, be sure to vote.
That's right. And also, there's one more thing. If you can't make it to tonight's game, be sure to check out the SKHS Video Production YouTube channel where the game is set to be live streamed tonight.
That's right. With that being said, I think we can end the show now.
Have a great day, South, and happy homecoming!